If you've ever seen those little yellow tags on a furnace or boiler, you might have seen the letters AFUE. You might hear it called anything from AFUE to AFUE or even AFUE. But even if it's just plain old AFUE, it stands for Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. AFUE is the actual season-long average efficiency of a furnace or boiler. It represents the amount of heat delivered to your home versus the amount of fuel supplied to the heating source. It's presented as a percentage, like 80% AFUE. The higher the number, the more efficient the product, giving people like you a great way to compare efficiencies of different furnace or boiler models. Current furnaces range from a minimum of 80% all the way up to just above 97%. For more information, visit Carrier.com. Carrier. Turn to the experts.